recording and shifting and driving here. So just a quick update. Thing is violent, fun. All right, so we're still looking at the 91 Mustang. It's a Vortech V3SCi. I have 373 full locking rear end in it now. Let's see, I'm trying to think what else. The fuel system, it's currently on 30-pound injectors, making 8 pounds of boost. So I'm planning to upgrade that. So more boost, I need more fuel. I'm out of fuel injector. Edelbrock RPM upper and lower intake, Flowtech heads. I have an E-cam in it. I wish I would have gone with an F-cam, but there is an E-cam in it. Other than that, I mean, I've just been kind of slowly cleaning this thing up. My wingman. And, yeah, I don't know. Great car coming along. You know, first year, I put the supercharger on it. Everything else was factory, and I spent most of the time just kind of cleaning it up, replacing everything, rubber, all the seals, you know, weather strips.